Here is a beautiful exponential equation from Iran's 2026 National University entrance exam. The question asks, what's 125 to the power of x over 3y minus x if 75 to the power of x equals 27 to the power of y? And we have four options here. Welcome to Geomathic. Let's start with given equation. We can rewrite 75 to the power of x as 25 times 3 to the power of x and 27 to the power of y as 3 cubed to the power of y. We know 25 equals 5 squared, so we can write this 5 squared times 3 to the power of x equals 3 cubed to the power of y. Now we can distribute the exponent x to each factor, so we have 5 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of x equals, here the exponents can multiply, so equals 3 to the power of 3y. Now move this term to other side, then we have 5 to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 3y over 3 to the power of x. Since the bases are equal, we subtract the exponent, so we have 5 to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 3y minus x. Notice that 3y minus x is in the denominator in the question, but here it's in numerator. Let's move it to the denominator like this. Raise both sides to the power of 1 over 3y minus x, both sides to the power of 1 over 3y minus x. On the right side, the exponent cancel each other out, leaving out with 3. So we have 5 to the power of 2x over 3y minus x equals 3. To get closer to the question, we need to get rid of this 2 in exponent. So we raise both sides to the power of 1/2. Then this side to the power of 1/2 and this side to the power of 1/2. That 5 to the power of 2x over 3y minus x all rise to the power of 1/2 gives us 5 to the power of x over 3y minus x equals 3 to the power of 1/2. Now just one more step to find the answer. To turn 5 into 125, we raise both sides to the power of 3. So both sides to the power of 3. We can switch the exponents, so we have 5 to the power of 3 all rise to the power of x over 3y minus x equals 3 to the power of 3 over 2. 3 over 2 equals 1 plus 1/2, so it's equal to 3 times the square root of 3, and 5 cubed equals 125 to the power of x over 3y minus x. And that's it, the question. So the answer is option 4. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Have a good day.